Welcome to Brainy Bunny Learning. Today, we're going to count yummy, juicy fruits. Are you ready? Let's begin!
Amy Apple here. Look at the tree superstar. How many apples do you see in the tree? There's one apple on the tree. Can you say one? Great job!
Hi there, superstar. I'm Benny the Banana. How many bananas are on the tree? Let's count together. 1, 2. Awesome work.
Hey, superstars! I'm Greg the Grapes. Look at these grapes on the tree. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. Woohoo!
Hi, superstars. I'm Sally the Strawberry. Can you count the strawberries with me? 1, 2, 3, and 4. You're amazing! Hi, I'm Ollie the Orange. Let's count all the oranges on the tree together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fantastic counting, superstars!
You did an amazing job counting from 1 to 5. Give yourself a big round of applause. Yay! Can you point to your favorite fruit from the tree? Great choice! We had so much fun learning and counting together. Here's a fun fact for you before you go. Did you know that strawberries are the only fruit with seeds on the outside? They have about 200 seeds each. Isn't that awesome? Thanks for learning with us today at Brainy Bunny Learning. Don't forget to hop back soon for more fun adventures. See you next time, hop hop.